Good afternoon, my dear students. I'm Pooja Sarma from Pranami Balika Vidya Mandir, and I'll be teaching you all accountancy. Okay, so today I'll be teaching you all accounting for partnership fundamentals, profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so अस्तिको क्लासमा मैले तिमीहरुलाई interest on loan र managers commission सँग related adjustment entries हरु गराए हैन कसरी managers commission लाई कसरी हामी net profit बाट subtract गर्छौं र कसरी interest on loan लाई हामी net profit बाट subtract गर्छौं त्यो सबै हामीले previous classes मा गरिसक्यौ. So today in this class we'll be dealing with salary, commission, interest on capital and interest on drawings. Okay, so आजको क्लासमा चाहिँ हामी यो दुईटा टपिक गर्छौं र नेक्स्ट क्लासमा चाहिँ हामी यो दुईटा टपिक interest on capital र interest on drawings गर्छौं. यो चाहिँ चारटा items of your profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, these are the items of your profit and loss appropriation account. The first salary, second one commission, third interest on capital and the fourth one is interest on drawings. So salary सँग related adjustment entries हरु के हुन्छ? Adjustment relating to the salaries चाहिँ के हुन्छ? खाली हामीलाई salaries हरु चाहिँ per month दिएको हुन्छ. ल so question मा तिमीलाई salary के दिएको हुन्छ? Per month. Okay, so if it is per month, then what you need to do is you have to convert it into a year. Like तिमीहरुले per month लाई चाहिँ year मा convert गर्नुपर्छ. Suppose for example, if the salary of a partner is 1000 rupees per month. If a partner is getting 1000 rupees per month, if his salary is 1000 rupees per month, then what you need to do is you have to multiply this with 12. Now, किन 12 ले multiply गरेको किनभने हाम्रो in a year there are 12 months. And 12 months हुन्छ. So per month if he is withdrawing 1000 rupees, then in a year he will get 1000 into 12 and that is equal to 12,000 rupees. Okay? So only 1 month ma 1000 rupees पाउँदैछ भने उले 1 year मा चाहिँ 12,000 पाउँछ. So salary सँग अरु केही पनि एडजस्टमेन्ट हुँदैन. खाली salary को तिमीलाई per month दिएको हुन्छ. हामीले के ध्यानमा राख्नुपर्छ कि हामीले त्यसलाई कन्भर्ट गरेर 1 year को लेख्नुपर्छ. Okay. So next, and second one is your commission. So commission मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने So commission. So हामीले previous class मा commission गर्यौ तर त्यो managers commission थियो. बुझ्यौ managers commission. So today we'll be doing partners commission. Partners commission. The partners will also get commission from the business. So त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी के भन्छौं partners commission. र partners commission सँग related adjustments हरु के हुन्छ भने हामीले दुईटा type पाउँछौ यसमा partners commission मा. One will be before charging commission. Before. So one will be before charging commission. Second one after charging commission. Okay, so basically there are two types of, like you will get two types of questions in the examination. So one before charging commission and the another one after charging commission. So हामीले adjustment entries partners commission मा दुईटा type को पाउँछौ. One चाहिँ before charging commission and another one after charging commission. So before charging commission मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने you have to apply one formula. Okay? So if it is before charging commission, then you have to write if it is before charging commission, then you have to apply this formula. Okay? So the formula is principal into rate divided by 100. Okay? Suppose if it is before charging commission, then you have to apply this formula, that is principal into rate divided by 100. Principal can be your net profit as well. Okay, so suppose principal तिम्रो net profit पनि हुन सक्छ, rate it will be given in the question and then you have to divide it with 100. So principal into rate divided by 100. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, we'll solve one question. Right? So have a look at the question. It is question number 6. A, B and C are partners in firm sharing profit in the ratio 2:2:1. A is entitled to a commission of 10% of the net profit. So here A is getting a commission of 10% of the net profit. So net profit for the year ended 31st of March 20,000. So determine the amount of commission payable to A. So you have to calculate the amount of commission which is payable to A. No? So यहाँ के बनेको छ before charging commission यहाँ केही पनि बनेको छैन तिमीलाई खाली A is entitled to a commission of 10% of the net profit बनेको छ. So we have to you have to assume it as before charging commission. Okay? So principal is your 1,20,000 because we have to calculate 10% of your net profit, that is 1,20,000. So write 1,20,000. And what is the rate? So rate is given, that is 10%. So 10% means 10 divided by 100. Okay? So it's 1,20,000 into 10 divided by 100. So therefore, here you write A's commission is equal to, strike out the zeros. Now you'll get 1,200 into 10 gives you 12,000. So his commission is 12,000 rupees. Okay, it's 12,000. The second is after charging commission. Okay, so after charging commission, again there is one formula for after charging commission, and the formula is principal into rate divided by 100 plus rate. Okay, this is your formula. So if it is after charging commission, then you have to apply this formula. Okay, that is principal plus rate divided by 100 plus rate. Okay, so now, okay, I'll give you one question. So let's write A and B are partners. Suppose if there are two partners, A and B are partners in a firm, okay, and A is entitled to a commission of 10% of net profit after charging such commissions. After charging commission, such commission, then the net profit of the firm, net profit of the firm is, say, 4,40,000 rupees. Okay, so 4,40,000. Now, determine the interest or capital, determine the commission of A. Okay, so your question is determine the commission of A. A and B are partners in a firm, and A is entitled to a commission of 10% of the net profit after charging commission. So here it is after charging such commission, then the net profit of the firm is 4,40,000. So you have to determine the commission of A. Okay, so now let's solve this one. So now here it is after charging such commission, so you have to apply this formula now. Okay, so your formula is principal into rate divided by 100 plus rate. So your principal here is your net profit is, that is 4,40,000. Okay, so this is your principal. So let's write 4,40,000. Okay, so 4,40,000 rupees into, then what is the formula? It's rate. So your rate is 10%. Okay, so let's write the rate, that is 10% divided by 100 plus rate. So 100 plus what is the rate? Rate is again 10%. So I'm writing 10. Okay, so now 4,40,000 into 10 divided by 100 plus 10. You have to apply both mass. First you write 4,40,000 into 10 divided by 100 plus 10 gives you 110. Okay, so first add the number, that is 100 plus 10 is 110. Now you have to cancel this one, you have to strike the zeros. Okay, so now 0, 0, 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 40,000. Okay, so your answer is 40,000. 40,000. Okay, so therefore your A's commission is 40,000. Okay, so A's commission is 4,40,000 into rate divided by 100 plus rate, that is equal to 4,40,000 into 10 divided by 110, which is equal to 40,000. So A's commission is 40,000. Okay. So now हामी एउटा क्वेशन चाहिँ यही प्रब्लम सँग रिलेटेड, that is before and after commission, यो सँग रिलेटेड एउटा क्वेशन हामी सल्भ गरौँ ल. So have a look at the question. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses equally. The capitals on 1st of April 2018 stood at rupees 1 lakh and 1,20,000. Okay, so तिमीहरु क्वेशन रिड गर्दै लेख्दै जानु, त्यस्तो गर्दा सजिलो हुन्छ ल. So start writing. A and B are the partners, okay, and they are sharing profit and losses equally. Okay, then after that, on 1st of April 2018, the capital stood at rupees 1 lakh and 1,20,000 respectively. So let's write the capital of A and B. So capital of A is 1 lakh and capital of B is 1,20,000. Okay. After that, the interest on capital is agreed at 5% per annum. So interest on capital is 5%. Interest on capital is 5% per annum. So what you need to do is you have to calculate 5% of 1 lakh, that is equal to 5,000. So 5% of 1 lakh is 5,000 and 5% of your 1,20,000 is 512, 60, so it's 6,000. Okay. Then after that, A is entitled to a salary of rupees 1,000 per month. So A is getting a salary of, so here A is getting a salary of rupees 1,000 per month. So 1,000 per month means in a year he will get 1,000 into 12, that is equal to 12,000 rupees. Okay, so I'm writing 12,000 rupees here. किनभने हामीले के गर्नुपर्छ, होल इयर को लिनुपर्छ. जहिले पनि हामीले salary commission दिँदाखेरि you have to consider commission as salary for the whole year. So after that, so here B is not getting any salary. Then after that, and commission. Again A is getting commission. Okay, A is getting salary and commission. So commission of 10% of the net profit after partner's salary but before charging commission. So here I am writing commission. So commission is 10% of the net profit. So यसमा हामीले adjustment गर्नुपर्छ ल. So यसमा working note दिनुपर्छ हामीले, commission that is 10% of the net profit after partner's salary but before charging commission. So after partner's salary भनेपछि first let's write the net profit because it is 10% of the net profit. Okay, so net profit for the year ended 31st of March 2019 is 4 lakh rupees. So let's write 4 lakh. Your net profit is 4 lakh. Okay, so now what you need to do is, before preparing profit and loss appropriation account, let's first calculate, make a more working note and commission. So commission ma हामी working note दियौं. Working note 1, working note 1. So के को लागि दिनु पर्यो हामीले commission. So this is for commission. So किन हामीले commission को लागि working note दिएको, किनभने यहाँ के भनेको छ, हाम्रो commission चाहिँ after partner's salary but before charging commission. So before charging भनेपछि हामीले rate principal into rate divided by 100 मात्र गर्नु पर्यो. तर यहाँ के भनेको छ, after partner's salary. So after partner's salary भनेपछि we have to first subtract partner's salary from the net profit. Before giving commission, we have to subtract partner's salary from the net profit. Okay, so now your net profit is equal to 4 lakh rupees. Okay, it's 4 lakh. Now less salary. Okay, A is getting a salary, so you have to subtract that salary. Salary is 12,000. Okay, 4 lakh minus 12,000. So 4 lakh minus 12,000 is equal to okay, it's 8 and 3. So 38,000, sorry, it's 3 lakh 88,000. Okay, so it's 3 lakh 88,000. This is your net profit after salary. So your net profit after salary is 3 lakh 88,000 rupees. Now you have to charge commission, that is 10% commission on this amount. Now your principal will be 3 lakh 88,000. So let's calculate commission. Therefore commission is equal to principal, that is 3 lakh 88,000 into rate. So what is the rate? Rate is 10%. Okay, so write 10 divided by 100. So therefore your commission is equal to, cancel, 38800. It's 38,800. Your commission is 38,800. Okay. So now let's prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation account prepare garda. First of all, we need net profit. Okay. So let's start by profit and loss account. And inside the bracket write net profit. So what is the net profit? Your net profit is 4 lakh rupees. You have to consider this as your net profit. तिम्रो net profit मा के adjustment चाहिँदैन ल हामीले खाली commission को लागि हामीले salary subtract गरेको तर यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले you have to write 4 lakh rupees ल. After that the second item is interest on capital. So let's write interest on capital. To interest on capital. So interest on capital means who all are the partners here? Your partners are A and B. So A is getting 5% of 1 lakh, that is 5,000 rupees, and B is getting 5% of 1 lakh 20,000, that is equal to 6,000 rupees. Okay, so total it 5,000 plus 6,000 gives you 11,000 and write it in the main column. Okay, so got to write this is your debit column, this is your credit column. This is a nominal account, income will come on the credit side and your expenses will come on the debit side. Okay. After this, second item is your salary. So your A is getting a salary, so I am writing A's salary. Your partner A is getting a salary of rupees 1,000 per month, that is equal to 12,000 rupees per year. Okay. So I am writing 12,000 rupees in the debit column. Then after that, A is again getting a commission of 10% of the net profit after partner's salary, but before charging such commission. Okay, हामीले already calculate गरिसकेको छौं. Working note पनि मैले दिएको छु. So तिम्रो amount कति छ? 3,88,000. So now you have to consider this amount. ल? So right here to A's commission. Again A is getting a commission. So इसको amount कति छ? Write here working note 1. So I am writing a working note 1. Write down 3,88,000. 38,800 rupees. 38,800 rupees is your commission. Okay, and give working note as well. Working note 1. 38,800 rupees is your commission. Okay, A's commission is 38,800 rupees. Now after that, what you need to do is you have to total the balance now. Okay, total the amount and check which side is greater. Okay, so your debit side amount total is 11,000 plus 12,000 plus 38,800. So now let's total the amount. It's 11,000. Okay, after that 12,000 rupees, then 38,800. So So it's 38,800. Now total this 0, 0, 8, 11, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 61,800. So your debit side total is 61,800 and your credit side total is 4 lakh rupees. So obviously your credit side is greater, so we'll write 4 lakh rupees on both the column. Okay. So 4 lakh rupees on both the column. So now you have to find the difference between debit and credit side. Okay, that is difference between 4 lakh and 61,800. Okay. So this 4 lakh is the total of your credit side and 61,800 rupees is the total of your debit side. Okay. So now you have to subtract 61,800 from 4 lakh. Okay. So now subtract it. 10 minus that gives you 2 and then minus 1 gives you 8. 9 minus 6 gives you 3 and this is 3. So your total is 3,38,200 rupees. No? So now let's write 2 partners capital. 2 partners capital and inside the bracket write profit to be transferred to partners capital account. Profit to be transferred to partners capital account. Okay. Bracket close. Now you write the difference. The difference is 3,38,200 rupees. So I am writing the difference here. 800 rupees. 3,38,200 rupees is the difference. Now you need to say the profit. You have to say the profit now. Okay. So they are sharing the profit equally. So A and B are sharing profit equally means they will get 1/2 of this profit. Okay. A will get 1/2 of this profit and B will also get 1/2. Equally when you divided by 2. Okay. So now let's write A share the profit and B share the profit. So A will get half of this. Okay. So half of 38,800 is 3,38,200 divided by 2 and it gives you 169,100. So it's 1,69,100 rupees. 1,69,100 rupees. Okay. So A share of profit is 1,69,100 and B says the profit is 1,69,100. Okay. So that's much for today.